Find or read reviews that people are talking about Rickwayy Mini Car Vacuum, Handheld Car Vacuum Cordless Rechargeable. 6000 PA Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA Filter for Car Home Office Interior Cleaning, only 0.66 pounds. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Rickwayy Mini Car Vacuum. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Strong suction, fast dust removal. The car vacuum cleaner is an efficient car cleaning tool, 100-watt high-power pure copper motor, 6000 PA strong suction can easily suck away small objects such as dust, bread crumbs, pet hair, food residues and more. Increase at the entrance of the vacuum cleaner with a dust baffle, avoid the second pollution, and further improve your cleaning efficiency. Compact and portable. Weighing only 0.66 pounds, Rickwayy Mini Car Vacuum is as light as holding a cell phone, with no cumbersome cords, providing greater mobility and convenience, cash bag included. The wireless handheld car vacuum cleaner lasts 20 minutes on a full charge cordless operation and can be switched on while charging to keep your car comfortable and clean at all times. Reusable HEPA filter. Built-in HEPA filter, the small vacuum cleaner, easy to disassemble and clean, can efficiently inhale more than 99% of the particles, while being able to be washed in water without damaging the material. Environmentally friendly reuse, to prevent residual odor. What's more, it is also equipped with a protective cover. Trash is kept in a transparent container that allows you to clean it up in time. Various accessories, clean without dead space. This portable car vacuum can be used wet or dry, with special attachments to help you clean anywhere with ease. The auxiliary port acts as a link to facilitate your daily cleaning operations. And the long nozzle connector can be used for hard-to-reach corners and cracks. Dust brushes are suitable for surfaces such as car seat cushions, ventilation grills and more. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you. And make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.